and you mute your mic. Okay. I know you all are very good students. You listen to the teacher. And yesterday I have given you fill in the blanks and true, false. I hope you all have done. Yes. So, take out your pencil, and we have to underline some difficult words in the book, and you will read it later on. Okay? So be ready with your pencil.
Ma'am, page number what?
Page number 13. And you have to read it. Read with spelling, okay? I will make you underline now. And after the class, after our social study class, you have to read it as a homework, because these underlined words will help you to read your answer, question answer.
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 13.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you ready now?
Ma'am, 13.
Yes. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And before I start the lesson, I want all of you to mute yourself and not to talk with your friends. You are disturbing your friends and you are disturbing the teacher also. So be good and be obedient. Listen carefully to the words. Okay? Okay. Page number 13, use and safety of occupational tools. So first of all, you have to underline occupational. The word occupational. Underline Kritika Sa. Where is your pencil? And Bibi Sa, all of you are ready, no? Yes. So
Yes,
occupational. Underline the word occupational. Tools spelling also you should know it. Easier, better, required. Are you ready? Are you ready or not?
Yes.
Yes. Required. Again, I will say. I think Kritika is not ready. Kritika Sa.
Ma'am, I am ready.
5 minutes before 11, you have to be ready with your books, copy, pencil. Okay. Occupational.
Ma'am, page more.
Page number 13.
Ma'am, Suru dekhi no na.
I am from the beginning saying to you all. And you look in your book carefully. Occupational. Tools, easier also underline. Better.
Good morning, ma'am.
Required.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Safely.
Good morning, ma'am. Suru kate vannu na.
Occupational. Tools.
Ma'am.
Page number 13. First word occupational. You have to underline and read later on. Later on. So occupational, tools, easier, better. Yes.
Where is safely?
The second line. Look in your book.
Second line. Better.
Look in the book, you will find it.
It's not.
Ma'am, here is safer.
Yes, ma'am.
Required. Okay, then safer, then you underline safer. If there is safe, then you underline safer. And apply.
Here is safely.
Safely.
Here is safely.
If there is
Ma'am,
safe,
here is safely.
if
Here
there is
is
safer,
safely.
you underline safer. Then apply. Conscience. Conscience.
मैम
Yes.
आज मेरो घरमा नेट प्रब्लम भइरहेछ
Then later on you can join.
ओके मैम
Conscience. Skills. Have you underlined conscience? Conscience. How you pronounce? Conscience or conscience? Conscience. Skills. Then next time we will go in otherwise. Otherwise. Mohina, are you underlining? Have you underlined? Otherwise, risky, R-I-S-K-Y, risky, and accidental. Next line, that is accidental. Have you underlined accidental? Hazards.
मैम where is accidental
Accidental is
Ma'am,
in the
plants.
मैम
The
what is
second
line
and from the last we can say it is a third line. Third last. Accidental, hazards, injury, injury, birth.
मैम where is accidental
Accidental, it is just 5 line, 5th line. From the beginning, it is 5th line. Have you found?
मैम 6 line in interest मैम found
हेर के तिमीले अरु किन हेरेको छौ र यहाँ हेर के
वहाँ एक
Accidental, found all of you?
मैम
Yeah.
not sounding
not come me
I will
यता
tell you.
आउनु न सिकाउनु छ हजुरबाट
मैम त्यो
आइला बोल्छु नि
It is the 5th line from the beginning, first paragraph.
मैम म्यूट कर दिनु न सबलाई मैम
Okay, okay, okay.
मैम म्यूट कर दिनु
Yes,
मैम म्यूट कर दिनु
yes. Accidental, hazards, injury, burn. Then after that, next line, it is injurious. Injury is one word, injurious is another word. Moreover, durable, moreover, durable, properly. Again, I will say from the beginning. Those who are unclear, you check. Those who are clear also, you just see your paragraph. Occupational, tools, Again, I will say from the beginning, occupational, tools, easier, better, required, safely, apply, conscience. If you say conscience, it's okay. If you say conscience also, there is different pronunciation. Then skills, otherwise, risky, accidental, hazards, injury, burn. Then next line, there is injurious, injurious. Then moreover, durable, properly. Up to here, you have to read with spellings after the class. Then we will go in the 14 number page number 14. See there, in Raju's story, yard, yard, first line, yard. After yard, second line, carpenter. Second line, carpenter. Priyansi Gurung, underline please, carpenter. Then after that, plywood. Plywood. Are you clear, all of you? Plywood. Then suddenly, third line, suddenly. After that, leaving. Next line, leaving. Next line, leaving. Okay, from the beginning, again, I will say you, some of you are not clear. Playing, yard, carpenter, plywood, suddenly, leaving, attention, attention, saw, curious, curious, touched, next line, touched, bleed, BLED, bleed, badly. Same line, there is palm also, PALM, palm. Then again, first word, sharp, SHARP. Underline, SHARP, sharp, palm, 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 bleed, BLED, bled, badly. After badly, screamed. It is written there, screamed, SCREAMED, screamed. Parents, next line, parents. Immediately, immediately. IMMEDIATELY, immediately. Nearby, it is one word, nearby. NEARBY. Clinic, 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 clinic. Wound, WOUND, wound. Next line. Stitched, stitched. STITCHED, stitched. Then after that, same line, promised, promised. Then next line, careless, careless. Regarding, regarding. Then same line, alert, last, at the last, alert, A-L-E-R-T, alert. Then last line, touching. Then unnecessarily. This is little long, unnecessarily, touching. And last paragraph, if occupational tools are kept or used in an unsafe and improper way, from here, these points I will make you underline. Damaged, damaged. Faster. Causing. Next, third point. Causing, scratch, causing. Elisa Khatri, you are not writing, underlining. You have to underline. Scratch, bleeding, bleeding. The next point, machinery, machinery. Oils, liquids, liquids. Allergies, allergies. And last point, fuels, fuels. Petrol, diesel, kerosene, grease, poisoning. Have you underlined? Poisoning. And this you have to read not for tomorrow, you have to read it for coming Wednesday. Clear, all of you? For coming Wednesday. And so I will tell you the next points also. How to handle occupational tools safely. Always, underline always. Clean. Then next point, keep instruments, underline instruments. Then after that, harmful, locked, locked. The next point, equipment. Have you found? 4 number point, equipment. Equipment, reach, children. And last point, allow, allow, unskilled, unskilled, handle, handle. You all underlined? So this is not for tomorrow's homework to read. Coming Wednesday, handle, coming Wednesday. And all of you listen clearly to me. All of you listen clearly to me that I am sending you question answers. Page number 16. Answer the following questions. I am sending you and you have to do it very carefully. Nobody should scratch. Nobody should cut. And you have to do it as a homework clearly, very nicely in your fair copy. Understood, all of you? So question number A, what will happen if we don't use the occupational tools safely? Means what will happen if we use occupational tools carelessly? Yes. Then what is the answer? If we use occupational tools, if we do not use occupational tools safely, we may get caught, scratch, burn, allergies, etc. It is in page number 13.
Ma'am, what are you saying?
Question number A. First of all, I am making you understand. I am making you understand the question. What happens if we do not use occupational tools safely? Occupational tools, for example, a farmer uses spade, sickle, plow. So these are the occupational tools of a farmer. If a farmer do not use these occupational tools safely, then he might get accidental hazards, means caught, scratch, injury, bleeding. Yes or no? Because they are sharp occupational tools. So we should use it safely. So this is the answer here. And I am sending you, and you have to see it, and you have to write the answer carefully without making any mistake, clear handwriting. So B number, how did Raju cut his palm? Let us go in page number 14. Raju cut his palm how? By a sharp saw, that by touching the saw that his father had left in the yard. By touching the saw that his father had left in the yard. That is the answer. And you will get in later on, and you can see the answer and do it clearly. What lesson did you get from Raju's story? Raju caught his palm by the sharp saw. Yes or no? He went and touched it. And what lesson he got? And what lesson we all got from Raju's story? So from Raju's story, we learned a lesson that we should not touch any sharp occupational tools or any sharp instruments unnecessarily. If it is not needed for us, why to touch? If it is not of our use, we should not touch it. So from Raju's story, we have learned a lesson not to touch any sharp tools or instruments if it is not needed for us unnecessarily. So next question. Then D number, why are sharp instruments harmful for us? We all know sharp instruments like knife, sharp instruments like scissor, sharp instruments like needle, spade, sickle. These are all sharp instruments. Saw is also a sharp instrument. Axe is also a sharp instrument. Yes or no? These are tools or equipments. Why are they harmful for us? Then you all know the answer, I think. You are very sharp students. Sharp instruments are very harmful to us because they may be injurious. They may be injurious. They may give us injury like cut, scratch, bleeding, yes or no, burn, all these. And we can find the answer in page number 14. Last paragraph, there is points written, 5 points. First one, beginning column, That is third point. The sharp tools may be injurious, causing cut, scratch, bleeding, and we can add their bond also. So we have to make the answer for D number. Sharp instruments are harmful for us because we may be injured, like caught, we may get caught, scratch, bleeding, burned, all these things. This is the answer. And I hope you all have understood today what I have taught you. So D number is also this. And no need to get worried. You will get the answer later on in Messenger. Okay. Then we will go to E number. Write any 3 ways of handling occupational tools safely. 3 ways of handling occupational tools safely. To handle the occupational tools safely, like a spade, sickle, axe, or even our sewing machine, or we can say our computer, fax machine, printer. So many are there occupational tools. How to keep our occupational tools? Question number E is saying, how to handle means how to keep the occupational tools safely. We have to keep all these occupational tools safely so that these occupational tools we can use for the next time. We can use for the next time so that these occupational tools will be durable. So we have to keep it safely. Yes or no? We should not throw here and there. It will get damaged. It will be broken. The handle may come out. The screw may be loose. Some screw may be loose. So for all these, how to keep? Then there is the answer given in the next last paragraph. How to handle occupational tools safely. So nicely it is given. Page number 14. Always clean the tools after use. Then we have to clean our tools after using. We should always, you must add there, we should. We should always clean the tools after use, after its use. Yes, we should, you have to add. If you directly write always clean the tools after use, that means you are giving order to your parents. You are giving order to your elder brother and sister. If we write we should, that means we will do it ourselves. Then next point, we should keep the sharp instruments like machinery oils, harmful liquids, and fuels in a locked place. Locked place, so that children will not open it, because it is risky, injurious, and you may burn your hand. You may get allergies by harmful liquids like petrol, diesel. These are fuels, and that is why we have to keep them in a locked place, locked room also, we can say, out of children's reach, out of children's reach. And next, third number point, we should keep all those tools, equipment out of reach of children. Here also it is written. Locked place means we will not take out every time. Locked place means when it is necessary, then only we will take out and use it. Otherwise, we will keep it safely. And we have to keep all these harmful liquids, all the machinery tools, all our sharp instruments out of children's reach, out of reach of children. And last point, we should not allow the unskilled persons to handle the tools. Who are unskilled persons? The person who don't know how to use the occupational tools. The person who don't know how to use sewing machine for making clothes. The person who don't know, who is unskilled. So the person who don't know how to cut grass should not use sickle. The person who don't know how to use shovel also should not use it. So that they are unskilled person. And actually we children, you all children, you are unskilled in all the occupational work. So that is why you should not touch it. Otherwise you will get injury, you may get caught, you may get burned, you may get allergies, you may get bleeding, your wound will may be big. So that is why especially children should not use all the sharp instruments, harmful liquids, and harmful equipments. It should be out of reach of children. So now today you will get another homework like page number 16, exercise 3, A, B, C, D, E. 5 questions. I will send you in your messenger and you have to look the answer. I will send the answer for you all so that it will be easy to you all. I will send the answer. I will send the answer, then you can do it easily. Yes, and your handwriting should be very clear, very nice, big, no dirtiness. It should be very clean. And when you click the picture and send to me, your picture should be very clear. If you don't know, you have to take the help of your parents. Parents are there ready for you. They will help you every time. And at home, you have to read also. All of you, you are very good students. I know. So you will write, do the homework, and you will read. And for tomorrow, these questions, 5 questions, you will write. After my class, you will write and you will read. And so that for tomorrow, you will be ready. Understood, all of you? Yes? Are you all good children? Are you all good children? You are all good. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.